Okay.
Down, the vehicle intermittently dying. And then
Customers complain about
it would go up 2,500
misfire really bad. Well, this is what happened here. Can you see that shit?
Went in there and stopped the problem.
Fucking rat completely
just lucky that he came down and was doing it.
chewed this up.
Still doing it, blah blah. So
The coil harness and a little bit of the injector harness here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
Well, he had a. Here, I'll show you.
recommend a pigtail and do a wiring repair. And that should fix this problem here. And I guess we'll see if it has more issue after we fix this wiring. So since this wire has been shorted out for quite a while, it might have ruined the injector. So there's also one thing you can do is to check the injector ohm reading, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. If I can get this injector connector out and check the ohms reading to see if they're inside specs. Come on, get out. Now I got my ohms reading on the injector number 3, which is 12.4 ohms, and that's a good ohm reading on those injectors.